And let's take it across to Ashesha, who's waiting by with a roundup of today's trade. Ashesha. Well, yes, we were gaining from strength to strength in today's trading session. Nifty is ending 200 points higher for the day, above that 25,200 mark. Nifty Bank in tandem, although slightly underperforming. Nifty Banking Index was up nearly a quarter of percent in today's trading session. 56,600 is where the Nifty Bank is ending for the day. Broader markets should also come up for you on the screens. Nifty Small and Mid Cap Index up nearly 0.5% in today's trading session. In terms of individual stocks which were gaining in trade today, Titan was on the top of the list, the biggest gainer on the Nifty 50 index on the back of that Macquarie note. The stock is holding up over 3.5% in trade today. We had Infosys and M&M, which were some of the other gainers from the Nifty 50 index. Infosys up a solid 2%. M&M was also holding with gains of nearly 1.5%, rather 2.5% in today's trading session. In terms of individual sectors, we had Nifty IT Index, which was the biggest sectoral gainer today. Emphasis, this one was up 3%. Nifty IT Index up over 1.5% today. We had Infosys, LTI Mindtree, TCS, Tech Mahindra, all of them gaining in trade today. On the flip side, though, real estate stocks were under pressure today. In fact, Realty Index was the only sectoral index which is ending with losses in today's trading session. Nifty Realty Index should come up. In fact, it has recovered slightly, now up nearly 0.7% in trade today. Lodha was slightly under pressure today. We also had Raymond, which was under pressure, but it did recover from the lowest point of the day. Lodha ending nearly 0.6% lower, and we should have Raymond also come up for you on the screens. In terms of broader markets and other individual buzzers in trade today, let's put the spotlight on KNR Construction. This one won orders worth about 4,800 crores, and we saw a sharp uptick in this counter, up 9% by the end of today's trading session. IndiaMart Intermesh on the back of a brokerage report where Nuvama upgraded the stock to a buy. 3,800 rupees per share is the target price. This stock is also ending nearly 7% higher on the back of that. A whole host of defense stocks were buzzing in today. They were under pressure. In fact, we had Garden Reach Shipbuilders, Bharat Electronics, Mascot Dock, all of them reeling under pressure in today's trading session. Garden Reach down 6%. BEL and Mascot Dock should also come up for you on the screen. On the flip side, we saw buying in tire stocks, so the likes of JK Tyre, CEAT, all of them were gaining in today's trading session. We had Aurobindo Pharma after company subsidiary received a marketing approval from UK US FDA. This stock was gaining in trade. RITES on the back of an order win was gaining in today's trading session. We had Indian Hotels where JP Morgan came out with a report. So a whole host of stocks from the broader markets which were gaining in trade today. On the index level as well, Nifty's ending above that 25,230 odd mark. Broader markets were also gaining in trade. Now that's all the time we have on this edition of the show. More news and updates coming up on the other side. Don't go anywhere.